everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of Hayden the Cooking Kid. On today's awesome episode, we're gonna make our very berry shake.
What do you hope people take away from this recipe?
What does that mean? These recipes, I'm not sure are gonna be good, so if you're watching this video, I'd suggest you watch me make it, but don't turn it off right after that so you can see Uncle Clay's opinion to see if it will be good or not. So you better watch till the end to see the whole thing, or you might be having something yucky for dinner. All right, everyone, welcome to my kitchen where we're gonna make our super cool recipe, our very berry shake. It's not really a shake, it's a drink because it's not really, well, shake-like. So, do you want me to start baking now? Well, first here we're gonna put in some ice as usual. We're gonna put that in first. Then we're gonna add our drink. So first we're gonna put in our coconut milk silk. And only a little bit of that, not too much. Then we're gonna put in our Ocean Spray Pink Light drink. Then we're gonna put in some Strawberry Crystal Light, our raspberries and strawberries, and maybe 2 spoons of Welch's cornered grape jelly. Okay, so first we're gonna put in our ice. So we're just gonna dump that in there. Be really careful not to get it on your workspace. Okay, then we're gonna use our coconut silk milk. Okay, we're only gonna use a little bit of that, not too much. Just pour it in there. There we go. When you use the coconut milk silk, do it to where it's almost covering a few ice cubes, kind of like that. Then don't forget to put the lid on everything once you have actually put it in so it doesn't spill or any of that stuff. Okay. Then we're gonna take our light pink cranberry ocean spray, and we're gonna add maybe about the same amount of that. Pour that in there. I know that wasn't the same amount, but I just felt like adding that. So. And then we're gonna put in our Strawberry Crystal Lights. Just gonna There we go. Okay, now here I need your opinion. Should we add in the organo lemonade powder or no? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add that just to give it a little sour flavor. Okay, and then we are going to put in our fruits. Should we dump in all of it or no? I'm just gonna go ahead and dump in all of it. We just put that in there. And then for our big step, our Welch's grape jelly. Just get maybe a spoonful of that. Maybe one more spoonful. And then I think we are ready to blend. Oops, I almost forgot. Don't forget to put the lid on or you're gonna have a big mess and your mom and dad might not be happy with you. I'm just gonna stick that on the top. That's on here, good. Should we do high, low, or low? We're gonna go with high for a minute, then low. First we turn it on. And then we put it. Make sure it blends up real good. There we go. Okay, that seems like it's good. It looks like it's only strawberry. Wow, that did not look like I expected. Okay, let's take off this. And, oops, we need a cup. We're just gonna carefully pour that in.
Uh-oh. It's out.
Oops. See, I spilled, so we're gonna get a napkin. Okay, here's the final product. It looks pretty good, more strawberry and raspberry-like than I thought it would be. It looks pretty good. Let's go see what Uncle Clay thinks.
Uncle Clay here, ready to try one of Hayden's kid
Hi, Uncle Clay.
Oh, here she is, everyone.
I've got something for you to try. It's our very berry smoothie drink.
Oh, so tell me a little bit about this. It looks like a smoothie.
Well, it's got it's got raspberry, strawberries, some of the lemonade stuff and strawberry lemonade stuff.
It smells a little sour.
With some grape jelly.
Oh, grape jelly.
Yeah.
Like grape jelly. Not grapes, but grape jelly.
Grape jelly.
Okay. Let's give it a slurp, huh? Ready?
A big one. Keep it in.
It's fine. It's really good, actually. I'm gonna drink some more. It's pretty good, Hayden. It's a little sweet. Got a little tang to it.
Let me try.
I would drink this again. You gonna taste it? Let me know what you think.
It's actually kind of good.
It is pretty good. All right, everybody.
Try
Well,
it, Mommy. Try
she's gone. She's spreading it to the world, so we'll see you next time.
Cut. That's it for episode 3 of Hayden the Cooking Kid. See you next time. We're gonna move on to the cooking part.
Are you so excited? Is that gonna be your favorite part?
Because I get to cook.
Why do you love cooking so much?
Because it's a cooking show and I like cooking.
Oh, that makes sense.